Natatakot ka bang maging kuba pagtanda mo? Or nangihina ang iyong mga buto at kasukasuhan? Pwes, eto na ang solution para hindi ka na magkaroon ng osteoporosis featuring Calcium Aid with calcium, vitamin D3, and minerals. Bagong araw, so new day, new product. So this will be the main feature in this video. By the way, my name is Anthony and we will be discussing etong Calcium Aid tablet. So it has 3 main ingredients: calcium, vitamin D3, tapos minerals. So ayan din, ito yung mga main ingredients niya na i-discuss natin mamaya. So by the way, if you love how I review this product, don't forget to subscribe my 2 YouTube channels. Ayan, The Story of Anthony and The Story of Anthony Vlogs. So, ladies and gentlemen, kung gusto niyo talaga na palakasin ang inyong bones and also muscles din, because yung bones natin ang parang siya yung nagsisilbing poste sa ating katawan. So, etong box na to contains 12 tablets and the price for each tablet is 10 pesos. And mahalaga ito para sa mga kasama nating nag-work talaga sa construction, yung mga naglalactate. So, yes, as in, napalakas din yung bones at the same time para to prevent the risk of developing osteoporosis. So, medyo malaki yung box and ganyan yung size. So, ibig sabihin, malaki yung mga tablets. Kaya bubuksan natin ito. Yan, magbubukas po tayo. And by the way, dapat may ganyan siya. So, this is legit. This is a legit product. Kung natamper siya, magtaka na kayo. So, before we open this product, make sure na meron siyang seal. Hindi lang dito, kundi ayan. So, ganyan yung seal niya. And makikita niyo dyan yung expiration date niya. Ayan. No, 9 is September, diba? 9, tama ba yan? September 2020, tapos mag-expire siya sa September 2022. O, diba? And now, we're going to open this product. So, i-open natin siya and bubuksan natin dahan-dahan para hindi siya mapunit. Ayan. So, wait lang guys. So, ayan. Mahirap siyang buksan kaya guguntingin ko na lang para mas madali and mas mapapabilis ang ating vlog. So, ayan, ginugupit ko na siya. So, ganyan na lang. And kung bubuksan mo, meron din siyang directions. So, eto siya. Ayan. And papakita ko din naman yung overall look niya sa website. So, after this, if i-flip natin yung camera. And before tayo mag-proceed, ganito yung medyo malaki yung tablets. Ay, yes, ganyan. So, it is 4, 8, 12 tablets and ganito yung box niya. O, diba? Kaya i-flip na natin itong video or itong camera para to have a closer look sa mga details ng product na ito. Hey there! Ito na yung official website ng Calcium Aid by Unilove. So dito, start tayo sa pinakataas, invest in your flexi age. Tapos, yung 3 main ingredients are calcium plus vitamin D3, tapos minerals, kaya Calcium Aid. Helps make strong bones and flexible joints. Tapos, meron siyang reference number. And then, we have here Calcium Aid. So, i-click natin itong plus sign. And, ayan. Ito yung mga iba't ibang itsura ng mga products na bibilhin nyo per volume. So, meron malaking box, may matte, and may small boxes. So, meron here itong 12 tablets, yung small box. Ayan. So, scroll up natin. So, i-click natin where to buy. Yan. Calcium Aid available in leading drugstore nationwide. Ayan. Mercury Drug, Watson's, South Star Drug, Rose Pharmacy, Med Express. So, yan yung mga pwede nyong pagbilhan o kaya online kasi may mga online din na nagbebenta sa Lazada or Shopee. Ayan. So, let us balik lang tayo. So, yan. And we have here yung complete information ng product. So, Calcium-Made helps strengthen bones and make joints flexible. So, Calcium-Made provides bone and joint care because it has high levels of elemental calcium carbonate that helps strengthen bones, vitamin D for better calcium absorption, and minerals that are composed of magnesium, zinc, and manganese that help in making joints flexible. So, yung complete information ng product, yan, Calcium-Made. This product helps maintain optimum bone function and reduce the risk of osteoporosis in later life. And then here, what is in the medicine? This medicine contains a combination of calcium, vitamin D, magnesium, zinc, and manganese, which are nutrients known to protect against osteoporosis and promote optimum bone health. So, ang daming information dito. Bone building nutrients, calcium, vitamin D3. Ayan, calcium is the most important structure components of bones and teeth, a key factor in the normal transmission of nerve impulses. Ayan, tapos i-regulate din yung cellular metabolism ng calcium. So, vitamin D3 acts to maintain normal concentration of calcium and phosphorus. The active form of vitamin D3 increases the production of calcium binding proteins. And then here is the magnesium. Essential for enzymes needed to incorporate calcium is in bone, tapos involved in reactions that convert vitamin D3 into its active form and important for the electrical stability of cells. Yung zinc naman is cofactor for various enzymes required for normal bone development, and then required for the normal development and maintenance of the immune system, help regulate the activity of cells involved in immune function. And then we have here yung manganese, essential for bone mineralization, enhances bone growth, and enhances the activity of vitamin D. So, ito yung question, how much and how often you should use this product, orally once daily or as directed by doctor. For more information on safety, precaution, and other information about this product, please see the patient information leaflet. Ayan. Tapos, ito yung formulation niya. So, here are the nutrients and the amount per tablet. So, per tablet contains calcium, 600 mg, cholecalciferol or vitamin D3, 400 IU, magnesium, 40 mg, zinc, 7.5 mg, and manganese, 1.8 mg. O, diba? And, kukuha tayo ng isang tablet para ipakita ko sa inyo yung itsura ng tablet. Let's cut it out. Ayan, magka-cut out tayo ng isang tablet. So, kapag ilalabas natin, it's color orange. Ayan, color orange. Tapos, meron siyang tatak na calcium 8. So, ayan, malaki siya. Yung pagkahawak ko ng tablet. Ayan, malaki talaga siya. Ayan, closer look, ganyan. And meron siyang tatak na calcium. So, it's like this. Ayan, nag-appear na yung calcium aid na tablet. And color orange talaga siya. And now, iinumin natin siya. So, kukuha tayo ng isang baso dito sa ating cabinet. Ayan, pwedeng warm, pwedeng cold. Tapos, yung time na kung anong oras yung iti-take, ito, pwede naman after meals, siguro after breakfast or after dinner. Pero I prefer after breakfast or after lunch, basta after meal. Ayan, so magti-take po tayo and let's smell it muna. Wala naman siyang smell. Tapos yung taste, no taste at all. So, magti-take po tayo ng isa. malaki siya. So, pag hindi ka sanay talaga na lumunok, medyo may hirapan ka maglunok ng malaki. So, kapag malaki talaga, mahirap lunukin. So, practice makes perfect. Pwede kang mag-start sa maliit para kapag malaki na yung lulunukin mo, hindi ka na mahihirapang lumunok. So, ganyan siya. And yung taste niya is walang taste. Yeah, wala siyang taste. And pasensya na medyo umuulan. Ayan, malakas yung ulan. January na January, ang lakas ng ulan, no? So, anyway, yun yung lasa niya. Okay naman yung lasa niya. Yun nga lang, dapat damihan mo yung tubig para hindi ka mabilaukan. So, ayun, para ma-flush thoroughly from your mouth to stomach. And for me, importante to kasi in my own age, nasa middle age na po ako. So, kailangan ko talaga ng bone na supplement for me not to suffer from osteoporosis para hindi ako magiging kuba in the future. Kaya, my verdict for this food supplement, and which is no approved therapeutic claims, 10/10 because this is really beneficial by one of the most trusted and respected brands in the Philippines or in the world, ang Unilab, na which is gumagawa sila ng bagong vaccine na Covovax. Also, ayan, Unilab na company. So, if you love how I vlog this video, just don't forget to subscribe my 2 YouTube channels, The Story of Anthony and The Story of Anthony Vlogs. Kaya kung may questions kayo or suggestions, feedbacks, reaction, don't forget to comment down below. And of course, reach me out on my social media accounts such as in my Facebook page, Instagram, or Twitter, The Story of Anthony. So hanggang dito na lamang ko, guys. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Ayan. So, mwah mwah.